I created this YouTube channel on the 8th of February 2022, and before I created this channel, I used to make coding videos on my other channel, which is Dillion Megida. So what I would do is on that channel, I share experiences from my career and also from my life as a software engineer, and I also make coding videos around JavaScript, HTML, and yeah, all those stuff there. But after a while, I thought of making a dedicated channel for programming videos like web development, React, frameworks, anything related to coding, and that was the inspiration behind creating this channel, Deeecode. And so far it's been a journey. The 8th of February, a few days ago, made it 1 year on this YouTube channel, and after creating 9 coding videos on my other channel between February 8th last year and February 8th this year, I have made 143 coding videos, and this has been videos around JavaScript, React, HTML, CSS, even on Python, on Angular, yeah, a bunch of programming videos. It's been a nice journey, and I wanted to make this video to say thank you to my subscribers and even to those who haven't subscribed but still engage my videos. So I want to also say thank you for engaging my videos. Also thank you for the feedback. I've gotten nice feedback on here. Some feedback which reminded me that I was making nice videos that were easy to understand, that were simple enough. Also some feedback where people raise concerns or questions or even correct me. There are cases where people have corrected me or asked me why I did something a particular way instead of another way. This has been nice feedback, conversations, discussions, and they have actually helped me create even better videos. So thank you everyone for the journey in the past 1 year, and also look forward to more amazing and simplified videos around frameworks, web development, and a bunch of programming terminologies and tools and whatever. And before I end this video, I also want to say, if there's any topic, maybe in JavaScript, in HTML, CSS, and web development that you would like to understand or you would like me to make a video on, you can share them in the comment section of this video, and in the coming weeks, in the coming months, I will try to make videos on them, simplifying them to the best of my knowledge and to the best of my capacity. I use the word simplify a lot because that is the goal of my channel, simplifying things enough for people to understand easily. Anyways, thank you for the journey so far. Look forward to more amazing videos on my channel.